Let's take a closer look at this LG split AC and what makes it a great choice for your home or office. That combines sleek design with advanced technology to deliver powerful and efficient cooling for any space. This AC is available to you in an aesthetic white color with a 2-star energy saving rating, suitable for a medium-sized room. It also boasts an impressive ISEER rating of 3.7 and has an annual energy consumption of 962.65 units depending upon the star rating. LG's AC features dual cool technology with a varied speed dual rotary compressor that provides a wider rational frequency range to ensure your desired level of temperature is maintained. Moreover, it also ensures that your house remains cool even when the temperature outside rises to a scorching 52 degrees Celsius. With its 4-in-1 convertible cooling technology, you have the flexibility to increase or decrease the cooling capacity of your AC as per your needs. Made from copper tubes with ocean black frame and ocean black protection, this AC comes with exceptional durability. The high grooved copper increases pipe durability and offers better heat dissipation of the AC for efficient cooling. Also, it comes with an enhanced stabilizer free plus operation that prevents voltage fluctuations without compromising on your safety, savings or comfort. With the auto clean function, you can say goodbye to bacteria and mold formation as well as bad odor. Along with this, enjoy uninterrupted cooling with its auto restart feature that will resume your AC automatically post power outages. Maintenance is made hassle-free with the Smart Diagnosis feature, which provides instant feedback and recommendations for quick resolution of any issues. With its unique monsoon comfort technology, you can efficiently control your room temperature, air movement and humidity inside your room while getting comfort, cooling and energy saving even in humid conditions. Also, get instant cooling at the touch of a button and experience the cool breeze of the Himalayas right from your home. LG Split AC comes with a 1-year warranty on the product, 10 years on the compressor with gas charging and 5 years warranty on PCB. When you purchase LG Split AC, you get 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, 1 user manual, 1 power cable, 1 remote, 1 install plate, 2 installation copper pipe, checkout, delivery and installation messages.